let's see, I can start this now. Lot number 1, Audubon's Birds of America, the very fine, exceptional Duke of Portland set. And I can start bidding on this at $4 million now. $4 million, I can start this at $4 million. $4,200,000. $4,800,000. $4,800,000. $5 million. At $5 million. $5,500,000. $5,500,000. At $5,500,000. $6,500,000. $6,500,000. At $6,500,000. At $6 million. New bidder now at $7 million. It's against you at $7 million on the telephone. At $7 million. At $7 million, the bid is on the phone. It's selling for $7 million. Sold. $17.69. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Before I change over auctioneers, John Hayes will take over for the remaining session. I'd like to remind Christie's live clients to please log off of